Hi, do you want to completely customize the dashboard of your HighLevel sub-account? Then you just need to be on the Pro plan and I can show you exactly how it works. We are here in our sub-account and first of all we go to the dashboard in the sub-account and then we have the option to click Add Dashboard on this blue button, so to add a new one. I'll call it Custom Dashboard. And then I have the option to decide whether it should be displayed just for me or for everyone. In this case, I want to set it up just for me here. After you've done that, the most used will be displayed here below it first. For example, we could choose tasks and then they are automatically in there. On the right side, you can see many more possibilities. If we hadn't taken these tasks now and go back again, we can also just click on Add Widget here and then go to this option. Now we have the possibility to search for a widget here at the top. For example, if we type value at the top, then only the widgets that are marked with value in the name are shown to us. But we'll take that out to see everything again, and then you can see exactly I have contacts, I have opened all the top categories once, and we have very many possibilities to individualize our dashboard here. For this example, I'll take a few out now, starting with open opportunities. And here you can see directly that you also have sub-options, so you can set up much more here. We'll just take that in. The opportunities in the sub-account are currently 12 pieces. We'll see that from now on at a glance. Say Add Widget again, and then we want to have the appointments on here again, also just the normal counter, and click on Save. Then we have our 8 appointments from the sub-account and so on. We have incredible possibilities here. But what's important for the optic to know is we can always go to Edit again for each individual and say that we want a different chart type here. In this case, a diagram. I'll do Save. Then it looks like this. But we can also say that we want a line here. And then it looks like this. Of course, this is a bad example. Maybe we'll do it with the opportunities here once. It looks quite different again. A line definitely brings you more. Additionally, you can simply move things back and forth here by drag and drop. So as always, much more is possible than you can imagine in HighLevel. Now I've changed the appointment count back to the pure number. And of course, we don't need it that big. So you even have the possibility to say you want it in a different size. To show it more precisely, I have set up a custom dashboard here for my marketing example agency. And you can see exactly at the top the little things that you can see at a glance. Appointments and opportunities. We have them here in the middle in small because that's completely sufficient. Here we have such a chart where you can see everything exactly. And you have all the information at a glance. You can, as I said, change the size as it suits you best. There are no limits and there should definitely be something for everyone. And I'm looking forward to when you try it out for yourself and your business. What is also important before I forget, you can also insert external widgets under objects here. I'll do it once as an example, title YouTube test. And I've just taken the iframe embedding code from a button on my YouTube video and copied it in here. Click on Save and we already have the video right here in our dashboard, which of course provides incredibly many new possibilities again, especially when you finish it for your customer dashboards with perhaps the most important explanatory videos or how to get to support and so on and so forth. I definitely see incredible potential in it right away. Once you have saved it, you can then as a customer, for example, let these videos run directly in HighLevel on the dashboard. And I'm really looking forward to it when you try it out. See you in the next video.